In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset OpenToonz to its default settings and workspace. If OpenToonz has started acting strangely, your panels won't stay put, or preferences feel corrupted after an update, a quick reset of its settings can often fix it. We're going to safely refresh the configuration files so OpenToonz recreates clean defaults the next time it launches. Don't worry, this process doesn't uninstall the app or delete your projects. We're just clearing the profile and settings folders that control your layout and preferences. First, make sure OpenToonz is completely closed. If it's open in the background, it may lock files we need to change, and the reset won't work properly. Give it a moment to fully quit before moving on. Next, locate the OpenToonz stuff folder on your computer. This is the central place where OpenToonz stores its resources, settings, and profiles. On Windows, you'll typically find it at C/OpenToonz stuff. On Mac, open your applications folder, then open the OpenToonz folder. The stuff folder is inside there. If you've installed OpenToonz somewhere unusual, use your system search to look for OpenToonz stuff. Open the stuff folder and look for the subfolders named profiles or settings. These hold your personal preferences, workspace layouts, and related configuration files. If these become corrupted, OpenToonz can behave unpredictably, which is why resetting them helps. Now either delete those folders or, better yet, rename them. Renaming is safer because it preserves a backup in case you want to restore anything later. A simple method is to add old to the folder name, like changing profiles to profiles old. Do the same for settings. If you see it, make sure you're only renaming those configuration folders and not other resources you want to keep. With that done, restart OpenToonz. On launch, the program will notice the missing configuration folders and automatically recreate fresh default settings and workspace files. The first start after a reset might take an extra moment as it rebuilds what it needs. When the interface appears, you'll see the default layout and preferences just like a clean install.